Oppo has extended its budget smartphone segment with the launch of A9 2020 in India. The device comes as a successor to the Oppo A9 that was launched a few months ago in the Indian market. The latest entrant offers features such as HD Plus display with a water drop notch, a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor and a mid-range Snapdragon 665 SoC. The device is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery unit. We have got the retail box with us, and this is a quick unboxing video of the Oppo A9 2020. So let's get started. So this was a quick unboxing video of the Oppo A9 2020 smartphone. We will be coming up with a comprehensive review of the device soon. So for more tech related updates, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbot's YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.